In this video, we will show you how to add a tooltip to the comparison table. Tooltip is great for adding any additional information without overloading your table with it. First, press Edit on the cell you want to add your tooltip to. Go to the Tooltip tab and type in the text. You can see the tooltip icon appearing immediately after you start typing. Press Preview to see the final look of your widget. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!